just passed the car. Fucking Elon Musk, it's already gone in here. It's a stop sign. So the car was stopped. And my legs, everything's off the paddle and everything. It's gonna do full stop and it's gonna drive. Not doing anything. My hands are free here. You gotta give it and not, so there's a roundabout. Let's see what it does in a roundabout. It goes in a roundabout. Here you go. It's gonna go round and roundabout. It's going around it. I can't believe this. What the fuck you want? This is not gonna be like $500 a share. Here you go.